Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and in this video I am decorating my mini horizontal. This is my social media planner, this is my housework planner, this is my on the go, this is my brain dump. I've been using it just for 2 weeks now, but so far that is what I'm trying to focus on with this specific planner, and I'm not putting too much pressure on myself to decorate it per se, like in the future with this planner, but so far I have been enjoying decorating it. But anyway, I am using the mini Align sticker book, and this came out sometime maybe in 2023, maybe even 2022. Not can't totally remember, but I like how small the stickers are. Of course, it's for a mini, and they're just so fun, so cute. I am focusing mainly on like the beigey colors, a little bit of the black, not so much the navy, but there are a ton of really cute quotes in this book. I'm not, trying not to use too many of them, but they are so cute. So I did use quite a few. So because this is my social media planner, I want to have enough space to do different lists each day for things that I need to either film or post, or places that I want to write down ideas of different videos and reels I want to make for y'all. So that is pretty much what I'm going to write throughout the week. And then in the monthly, I just want to share a little bit. I am putting my future plans for all my different posts. So like, of course, on Mondays, I want to post my before the pens and then the plan with me. And then on Sundays, trying to post my after the pen. And then also that's when I want to plan out the following week kind of thing. And then different reels on different days, and then my minis I want to try to do on Tuesdays, so on and so forth. So that's kind of what I am doing in the monthly view, and it's nice because everything is all out, and so I can put like all the way down the board. All on Sundays is after the pen, and then all on Tuesdays is mini, and so I can see which days I am needing a certain post, or then I can also towards the beginning of the month and then the end of the month, of course there's different other posts, things like that. So honestly, I'm really loving the mini. I think it's super fun. I think it's so small, so cute. I love it. I think it's really fun. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.